Welcome to our channel. Watching live events legally on Fire Stick requires proper subscriptions and official apps. Follow these step-by-step instructions for legitimate access. Step 1. For live TV, subscribe to services like YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, Fubo TV, or Sling TV. These offer live channels legally. Step 2. For sports events, use official league apps or services like ESPN Plus, DAZN, or Peacock Premium for legal live streaming. Step 3. For pay-per-view events like boxing or wrestling, order directly through official apps like ESPN Plus, WWE Network, or DAZN. Step 4. For news, download free apps like ABC News, CBS News, CNN, or FOX News. These offer live news streaming at no cost. Step 5. For award shows and special events, check if they're streaming free on networks' official websites or apps during broadcast. Step 6. Use your cable or satellite provider's app if you have a subscription. Most providers offer live streaming of all your channels. Step 7. Check if events are available on free services like Pluto TV, which sometimes carries live programming and special broadcasts. Step 8. Never trust apps or codes promising free access to pay-per-view events. This is piracy, which is illegal and can result in serious consequences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.